Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm going to do a review on my good friend Paul Lelekis on his new book called The Magic of Derek Dingle. This is just a really incredible book. I'm really impressed with this book. Paul has really done it again. What I love about this book is there's 7 really strong commercial and artistic routines in here. I love the fact that the book has streaming videos in it. It even has patter in it. So we're going to go into in-depth review now. Okay. First, it has a great introduction. He tells some really funny stories of Derek Dingle. I love Derek Dingle's magic. I remember one of the first magicians I saw on TV was Doug Henning, and it's going back. And he's one of the magicians that inspired me to get in magic. But I remember he did one of Derek Dingle's routines, and it was the matrix with the torn pieces of card. And I remember when I bought the book and learned that routine, it's one of my favorite routines. And he's really into advanced sleight of hand, and I'm a total sleight of hand guy, so this is right up my alley. So the first effect is called the Fabulous Jumping Card Trick, and it's Derek Dingle's hilarious version of the Edward Victor's 11 card trick. And this is a really, really important move in here, because with the false count, this was always one of my mentor Alan Ackerman's favorite effects. This is a great effect. And so that's the first one. The next one is called the Hypnotic Quick Three-Way. And it's got a combination of ideas from Derek Dingle, Ed Marlowe, and Paul Cummins. And of course, I'm familiar with, there's some things in this book that I wasn't familiar with. There was the Paul Cummins quick three-way. This is really, really clever way to do a quick three-way display. And I wasn't aware of that. But of course, my mentor Alan Ackerman has his own quick three-way, being the protege of Ed Marlowe. So I really enjoy that. And I'm going to be incorporating that into some routines. So the next effect, the third effect, is a bluff shift. It's not a bluff pass. It's Dingle's brilliant rendition of a Bob Vieser control. And it's with 4 aces you put in the deck, and then they're on the top. And this is a magician floor. This is really, really cool. The next effect is called the Slot Machine, and it's a Dr. Sawa effect. I remember seeing this, and John Carney does a version of this too. This is really, really awesome effect where you produce a whole bunch of coins, and it's with the coins in a glass, and really brilliant. Okay, next effect, number 5, is called Too Many Cards. So this is one of my favorite effects. Many different people have versions of it. Bruce Servan has a version of it. Larry Jennings has a version of it. All the master magicians. I remember performing this for years and years. This is a strong effect, and it can be done with a borrowed deck. A lot of this can be done with a borrowed deck. I mean, pretty much all of it. It's very commercial, very artistic material in here, and I love the way he has the videos in the book, like I said, and even the pattern, the scripts. I mean, I think this is probably one of Paul Lelekis' best books. So I'm really, really highly recommendation. I give this 5 stars. The next effect, number 6, is a no-lap switch, and this is a really, really seamless switch from one packet to another, and it's very, very clean. There's so many useful sleights in here, with multiple applications. And then the final effect is called Silver Quick, and this is one of Derek's most performed effects. It's where 4 coins travel across, but to the spectator's hand. And I love the way that Paul has cleaned up this, how he's got his own rendition of this, and just absolutely awesome, incredible. So I give this my highest recommendation. So click on the link, go get this book today, and thank you very much. Have a great day.